What's up guys, and welcome back to One Life Cars. In today's video you join me on the inside of the Mercedes Vito van. Another simple one today. I'm going to show you guys how to remove and replace your window switch, as it's a dead common fault on these and the switches tend to break. A lot of people end up changing the window regulator, but most of the time it's just this switch. Sorry about not the best lighting, but I'm sure you can see everything we need to see to do this video. So guys, the first thing I want you to do is get yourself a flat screwdriver. A flat screwdriver like this. Now you can even do this with like a card or something. You want as thin as possible to do little damage to the plastic so you don't make a mess. And the first thing you're going to do is this bit around the outside of your window switch, like this plastic sort of edging. Get under that, just like so, and pop it up like that. And then gently, don't drag it about, because remember you've got wires connected to the back of this. You're gently going to work it out like so, and not pull it too far away from the door. And then if you flip it round, you'll see there's wires going into the back with a small clip. Now that little clip there, there's a little tab on it. So if you use your finger to press the little tab in, and it's a lot easier this with two hands, you can slide out the lead like that, releasing the switch itself. Now the switch itself, you will either have, the new one will either be a full unit like this or just that middle bit. If it's just the middle bit, as in the bit with the buttons, as in this sort of control unit for the switch, if you look very closely you can see there's some tabs. There's one near my thumb and another one on the other side. Now if you pop those tabs with a flat screwdriver, you can pull this full box out of the surrounding if you're just replacing that bit. Now I think if you do replace the switches you get the full unit, I'm not sure though. So either way, you can pull out the box inside, just changing that box and keeping the surround original, or you'll have this full unit in your hand as your new part. And it is as simple as this guys. You're going to flip it upside down, find where your lead goes into there, get your lead. Again, it's a lot easier with two hands. I am doing this with one hand while trying to film. And line up your lead like so. And clip it back in till it clips in, just like that. And now if you get the back of the back bit of plastic here and pop it in the hole first, sort of got to go in at an angle to get it to go in. You pop the back in first and then push the front down and it will clip in just like so. And that guys is how to remove and replace your electric window switch for the Mercedes Vito. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, be sure to give it a like. If you're new around here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching guys, and until next time, peace.